A reading from the letter to the Hebrews. There used to be a great number of priests under the former covenant, because death put an end to each one of them. But this one, Christ, because he remains forever, can never lose his priesthood. It follows then that his power to save is utterly certain, since he is living forever to intercede for all who come to God through him. To suit us, the ideal high priest would have to be holy, innocent, and uncontaminated, beyond the influence of sinners, and raised up above the heavens. One who would not need to offer sacrifices every day, as the other high priests do for their own sins and then for those of the people, because he has done this once and for all by offering himself. The law appoints high priests who are men subject to weakness, but the promise on oath, which came after the law, appointed the Son, who is made perfect forever. The word of the Lord.